What pops into your mind when you hear the word grapes? A sweet fruit, a refreshing juice, maybe even a glass of wine. Well, what if I told you that inside every tiny globe is a powerful army of natural defenders, ready to guard your heart, your brain, and your entire body? Today, we're uncovering the incredible story of grapes, nature's own cellular protectors. Let's start with the basics. Every part of the grape, the skin, the pulp, and yes, 𝐍𝐚𝐬 seeds is packed with unique chemical treasures called bioactives. We're talking about polyphenols, flavonoids, and stilbenes. These are powerful natural compounds that protect the grape from harm, and they do the same for your body. To put it in perspective, just one handful of red or black grapes delivers up to 300 milligrams of these polyphenols. That is a serious antioxidant punch in one small, delicious fruit. The superstars among them, you might have heard of them: Resveratrol, Quercetin, and Anthocyanins. So, what do? Their main job is to neutralize harmful free radicals. Think of free radicals as tiny, unstable troublemakers that roam your body, causing oxidative stress, damaging your cells, and speeding up the aging process. By stopping them in their tracks, these grape compounds help shield you from chronic conditions and even slow down the visible signs of aging. Now, let's talk about your heart. This is where grapes truly shine. The polyphenols in grapes help relax your blood vessels, which improves blood flow and keeps your arteries flexible and healthy. They also help balance your cholesterol levels, lowering the bad LDL and supporting the good HDL that your heart loves. In fact, clinical studies have shown that grapeseed extract can help lower blood pressure, especially in people with pre-hypertension. So, that daily handful of grapes, it's quietly protecting your heart, one beat at a time. Inside your body, there's another battle constantly being fought: inflammation. While short-term inflammation is good for healing, chronic inflammation is like a hidden fire that slowly causes damage. The compounds in grapes act like a natural fire extinguisher, calming this inflammation. This can lead to better joint health, healthier arteries, and a reduced risk of diseases linked to chronic inflammation. But it gets even more fascinating. Researchers have found that resveratrol and quercetin working together show potential in lab studies to block the spread of damaged cells. Now, to be clear, grapes don't cure disease, but they equip your body with the tools it needs to resist it naturally. I know what you're thinking, but grapes are sweet. Can people with diabetes eat them? The answer is surprisingly yes, in moderation. The very same compounds that protect your heart also help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve how your body responds to insulin. So, even with their natural sugars, grapes work with your body, not against it, helping to balance your energy instead of causing a spike. And what about your brain? This is where it gets extraordinary. Resveratrol has the unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, which is one of the body's most secure defense systems. Once inside, it gets to work improving memory, attention, and even mood, while protecting your brain cells from oxidative stress. This is why scientists have linked grape compounds to better cognitive function and potential protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Grapes truly feed your brain. Let's not forget your gut, the foundation of your entire immune system. Grapes are rich in fiber and water, which supports smooth digestion and nourish the good bacteria in your gut. A happy gut means you absorb nutrients better, have more energy, and boast a stronger immune defense. On top of all that, grapes are a natural multivitamin. They're packed with vitamin C to strengthen your immune system, vitamin K for bone health, and essential minerals like potassium and manganese. Every handful is a little boost for your body, created by nature. Have you ever noticed that deep, beautiful color of dark grapes? That isn't just for show. That rich purple or black pigment comes from anthocyanins, the same antioxidants that protect your skin from UV damage and premature aging. They help maintain collagen, fight dullness, and keep your skin cells firm and youthful from the inside out. So, grapes don't just make you feel good, they help you glow. So, how can you unlock this incredible power? First, eat them fresh and whole. The skin and seeds are where the real magic is, so don't just drink the juice. opt for red or black varieties, as they contain the highest levels of resveratrol and anthocyanins. And don't be afraid of the seeds. You can even find grapeseed extract for a concentrated dose of benefits. For a simple tip, try pairing them with healthy fats like a few almonds or walnuts to boost your body's absorption of these powerful compounds. Or, for a refreshing treat, freeze them. It's a cool, antioxidant-rich snack that's perfect for a warm day. You've probably heard of the French paradox. The observation that French people, despite a diet rich in fats, had lower rates of heart disease. For a long time, red wine got all the credit. But the real hero wasn't the alcohol. It was the powerful compounds from the grapes themselves. That beautiful purple-red color is nature's sign of a high anthocyanin content, the very thing that protects your heart and cells. So, the next time you enjoy a bunch of grapes, remember what you've learned today. You're not just eating a simple fruit, you're consuming a living pharmacy, filled with nature's own compounds designed to protect, heal, and energize your body. From your heart to your brain, from your skin to your cells, grapes are quietly making you stronger, from the inside out. If you found this story helpful, share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe and like for our next episode in the Fruit Defend Diseases series. Because great health isn't about giant leaps. It's about the small, consistent choices we make every day. And sometimes, the smallest fruit can make the biggest difference. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.